Hi, Captain Carry On here. International travel sounds glamorous in photos, but the reality often starts with stress, confusion, and small mistakes that quietly drain your energy before the trip even begins. Most travelers think problems happen in the air, yet the real difference between a smooth international journey and a miserable one is what you do long before boarding. Today, I want to walk you through a smarter way to approach international travel, built from real experience, not theory, so you feel prepared instead of overwhelmed from the very start. Before we go any further, I want you to think about your last international trip. Did you feel calm the night before, or were you double-checking documents, packing last-minute items, and worrying about what you forgot? That contrast matters, because confidence in international travel is created by systems, not luck. The goal is not to pack more or plan harder, but to plan smarter so every step supports the next. International travel begins with research, but most people research the wrong things. They obsess over outfits and hotels while ignoring rules that can completely derail a trip. Entry requirements, passport validity, medication restrictions, and transit logistics should always come first. Some countries require 6 months of passport validity. Others restrict common over-the-counter medications. Knowing these details early removes uncertainty and prevents last-minute panic that no airport can fix. One of the most overlooked stress points in international travel is transportation on arrival. After a long flight, unfamiliar language, and jet lag, navigating local taxis or public transport can feel exhausting. This is why experienced travelers book airport transfers in advance. Having a professional driver waiting for you removes friction at the exact moment your energy is lowest. Services like Kiwataxi allow you to lock in affordable airport transfers ahead of time, so you land knowing exactly how you are getting to your hotel, with no bargaining, guessing, or confusion. If this is already helpful, pause for a second and tell me in the comments what part of international travel stresses you the most. Is it packing, airports, customs, or transportation? I read every comment, and your answers help shape future videos. Another key shift is understanding that international travel is a sequence, not a single event. Each decision should reduce effort later. This applies to documents, money, and even what you wear. Copies of passports, visas, and insurance should live digitally and physically. Emergency cash should be split, not stacked. Clothing should support movement, temperature changes, and comfort, not aesthetics alone. Small decisions like these create compound benefits that make long travel days feel manageable instead of draining. Halfway through your trip planning is the moment most people start feeling overwhelmed. This is where systems matter most. Instead of random checklists, think in categories: entry, health, transport, comfort, and contingency. When each category is handled, your brain relaxes because nothing is floating unfinished. This mental clarity is what separates confident international travelers from anxious ones. Quick reminder before we continue: if you want a smoother arrival experience on your next international trip, check out Kiwataxi and book your airport transfer in advance. It is one of the simplest upgrades you can make that delivers immediate peace of mind after landing. International travel does not reward perfection, it rewards preparation. When you replace guesswork with structure, stress fades and confidence takes its place. In the next part, we will build on this foundation and move into in-flight strategy and arrival readiness, so your trip stays smooth beyond the airport doors. This foundation changes how every international journey feels forever. Once you are in the air, international travel shifts from preparation to execution. And this is where comfort, organization, and awareness make a visible difference. Long flights magnify small mistakes, but they also reward travelers who plan for their body, their mind, and their energy. The goal is not luxury, it is resilience, so you arrive ready instead of depleted. Start with how you move and sit during the flight. Remaining still for hours slows circulation and increases fatigue. Simple movements every hour keep your body engaged without drawing attention. Rolling ankles, stretching calves, and gentle foot motions reduce swelling and stiffness. Compression socks, chosen for quality rather than price, support circulation and comfort throughout the flight. If you have medical conditions, Always confirm with your doctor, but never ignore circulation on long international routes. Organization inside the cabin matters more than most people realize. Your essential items should be accessible without standing, digging, or disturbing others. A single in-flight pouch containing medication, eye drops, lip care, hand lotion, headphones, and chargers eliminates repeated stress. Order items by usage so your hands move automatically when you need something. When your environment is organized, your mind stays calm. Hydration is another overlooked factor in international travel. Cabin air is extremely dry, which leads to headaches, fatigue, and poor recovery after landing. Drink water consistently rather than all at once, and consider hydration packets after landing to restore electrolytes. Balanced hydration supports alertness, digestion, and sleep quality during your first days abroad. Arrival is where international travel either feels smooth or chaotic. Customs lines, language barriers, and unfamiliar layouts can overwhelm even experienced travelers. This is exactly why arrival transportation should never be improvised. When a driver is already arranged, you bypass confusion and decision fatigue. Booking with Kiwitaxi ensures your transfer is confirmed before departure, with transparent pricing and professional drivers waiting when you land. That single decision protects your energy when it matters most. If you are finding value in this breakdown, let me know in the comments where you usually feel most exhausted on international trips during the flight or after landing. Your feedback helps refine future guides. Once settled, emergency readiness becomes your silent safety net. Power outages, transit disruptions, or lost documents are rare but real. Carrying small amounts of local cash, knowing the nearest embassy location, and storing document backups digitally prepares you for situations most travelers never consider until it is too late. Preparedness is not paranoia, it is freedom. Technology also plays a role when used intentionally. Portable chargers must stay in your carry-on, never checked, and some airlines restrict in-flight usage. Knowing airline-specific rules prevents conflicts and delays. Download essential apps before departure, including airline, customs, and offline maps, so poor connectivity does not become a barrier. International travel rewards travelers who respect their limits. Plan lighter schedules on arrival days, eat strategically to support sleep, and allow your body time to adjust. Confidence comes from alignment between expectations and reality, not from pushing harder. As we close, remember this: smooth international travel is not about avoiding problems. It is about neutralizing them before they appear. With systems, foresight, and smart choices like pre-booked airport transfers through Kiwitaxi, you turn uncertainty into control. If this helped you rethink how you travel internationally, share it with someone planning a trip and tell me in the comments where you are traveling next. Your preparation today shapes experiences tomorrow, and intentional travel choices consistently transform long journeys into confident, calm beginnings rather than exhausting obstacles you struggle to recover from later.